OSD Audio's WSK-SUB 5.8 GHz full-range wireless subwoofer/speaker transmitter and receiver kit allows you to add a powered subwoofer, 2 active loudspeakers or a 2-channel power amp and passive pair of surround speakers to a new or existing surround sound system without having to run cable from the receiver/amp to the speakers. If you crave the rumbling excitement a subwoofer brings to the home theater experience but don't want to, or can't, run cable, OSD Audio's WSK-SUB kit is the perfect solution. Installation is simple. Connect the transmitter to your AV receiver and the kit's receiver to your powered subwoofer. Plug the receiver into an AC outlet and use the 45-channel selection to dial in the best signal. When the transmitter and receiver are within 100 feet of each other, line of sight, the signal is transmitted via the high-speed and less crowded 5.8 GHz broadcast frequency. You'll enjoy steady, clear, and reliable bass with indetectable latency. This subwoofer transmitter kit can also be used with 2 active loudspeakers or a 2-channel power amp and passive pair of surround speakers so you can expand your audio system without having to tack cable to floorboards or run it through the walls. Top reviews from the United States. Allowed me to move my subwoofer to a back corner of the listening room wirelessly. Attempts to wire in and use of a 2.4 GHz transmitter both produced unacceptable noise. This device produces no unwanted noise and any signal delay is not audible to me. Initial pairing of TX and RX units didn't work as described in the instructions. What did work for me was to set the units side by side, power up both units, then press the pair button on the RX unit. So if you find that the instructions provided don't work for you, try my method instead.